A few decades ago, the race to space was held between entire countries. Today, we have billionaires competing to see whom will get there first. With competition to reach for the skies amongst this very select group of people being so fierce, it's safe to assume that one day we will be awarding Olympic gold medals in space. Hello everyone, my name is Eamon Gebre, Head of Wealth Advisory at Sarwa, and welcome back to this month's Market Snack. Here's your recap for the month of July. The S&P 500 grew by 2.54% this month. The FTSE 100 did squeeze out a return just north of 0.4%, while the Nasdaq did find its footing and it did manage to grow by 1.6%. Bitcoin, at the time of this production, was up 11.5%. To continue with the theme of reaching new heights, earnings season is upon us, and as anticipated by many analysts at the beginning of the year, pent-up consumer demand and subsequent spending has contributed to strong earnings reported by companies. Coca-Cola, Boeing, Alphabet, which is Google's parent company, for example, beat earnings expectations. Financial data provider FactSet estimates that the second quarter earnings growth rate for companies listed on the S&P 500 will be at least 64%. If accurate, it will mark the highest year-over-year earnings growth rate reported by the index since Q4 2009. As many more companies report earnings over the next coming days and weeks, this will be in a very active time in the markets with traders either shifting their strategies or solidifying their positions to come. Now, it isn't all sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. If you looked east, there was quite a bit of turmoil coming out of China. Last week, China State Council imposed an unexpected regulatory measure on the private tutoring sector, an industry estimated to be worth about $120 billion. China has banned these companies in the sector from generating a profit, from acquiring capital, or even going public. As a result, shares in many of these companies plummeted, some of them by as much as 60% overnight. In one case, the founder, chairman, and CEO Larry Chen from Gaotu Techedu Incorporated saw his net worth drop from $15 billion to just $336 million. Now, it's safe to say spaceflight may not be in the horizon for him anytime soon. But last month, Bitcoin was the subject of attention. Now it's the education sector. It's anyone's pick at this point as to which industry may be next. A little closer to home, it was announced this week that a Dubai-based company will be the first Middle Eastern unicorn to list on the US Nasdaq exchange. Swvl, spelled SWVL, is a ride-sharing service that operates in emerging markets, providing a need for reliable public transportation. Now, they're currently operating in Egypt, Pakistan, and Kenya, and this company has been valued at $1.5 billion. They've gone public with the help of an all-women-led SPAC called Queen's Gambit Growth Capital. Now, for more insight and news for the month of July, click on the link below. Thank you, and take care.